Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is chapter 1, and today we will discuss about the ethnic group Mro, Tripura and the Orion. So let's start our class, and all of you take your book at first and go to page number 86. Now look, my dear students, we will know about the life of the Mro at first, and Mro are the Juma groups and they live in the different upazilas of Bandarban near the border with Myanmar, and their language is Mro, which is endangered written, and it is written and spoken language, and UNESCO have called it endangered because it is at risk now. So we need to be careful about this language. That means we need to protect this language. And the Mro are the followers of the Buddhism, and that means they are Buddhist. But their traditional religion was Torah, and with a sect called Krama. So there is a sect which is called Krama, and sect means a group of people who follow the same religion or the norm and rules of a society or a culture. And the society of the Mro ethnic groups are patriarchal. That means father is the head of the society, and the offspring or the children get the title of the father. And their food habit and rice, dried fish and meat, that means like the other Bengalis of the of this country. And there is a specialty, fish paste called napi is their specialty. So it is their specialty, they make a fish paste and it is their favorite food also. Now we will know about the housing of the Mro, and their house is called Kim, and they built the house with a bamboo walls, and there is a platform and a straw roof. Now my dear students, all of you go to page number 87. Now look, there is a picture of a Mro house. So this is the picture of the Mro house, and this house is called Kim. So there is the bamboo wall, it is built with bamboo, and now look, there is a platform, and their house is, the roof of the house is made of straw. Now we will know about the clothing of the Mro people. The women wear dark blue cloth called a wanglai. So the cloth of the women is called wanglai, and men wear a strip of cloth called a lengthi. So this is the name of the cloth of the Mro ethnic group. And now we will know about their festivals. The Mro celebrate births, weddings and deaths, and there is another special ritual. And what is it? When the children reach 3 years, there is a ritual to pierce their ear. So they pierce the ears of the children when they reach 3 years old. When they are 3 years old, they pierce their ear. Now we will know about the Tripura ethnic group. And my dear students, Tripura ethnic groups mainly live in the Chittagong, but they are originally from the Tripura state in northeast India. That means they came from Tibet, and they are the third largest group in our Bangladesh, and the first one is the Chakma and second one is the Marma in regard of population. And their language is Kokborok, and that means they speak in Kokborok language, and they are the follower of the Hindu religion. That means they are Hindu, and they worship Shiva and Kali. So they worship the god Shiva and Kali, but they have their own gods also, and the name of the god is Kar, and they believe that the god Kar protect their village. And their society is also the patriarchal, and father is, that means the father is the head of the family. So we know that Mro has the patriarchal society, and the Tripura also has the patriarchal society. That means father is the head of the family of these two ethnic group. And now we will know about the housing of the Tripura, and their house raised upon stairs, and their clothing is women wear rhinai on their lower halves and raisa above. So there are two parts for the women clothing. One is rhinai, that means they wear it on the lower halves, and raisa above their in the upper part of their body. And they also wear plenty of beads called natang. So they are fond of beads, and it is called natang. They also use this ornament, and the men wear dhoti, towels, lungi and shirts. So these are the clothing of the men of the Tripura ethnic group. Now we will know about their festivals. Tripura celebrate births, deaths and wedding like the Mro ethnic group. But Boisho is a New Year celebration, and it is a special festival for the Tripura ethnic group. And when the women visit the villages, they wear flowers in their hair. In this celebration, the women visit the villages and they wear flowers in their hair. Now we will know about the group of the Tripura ethnic group. There is a collective group of the Tripura ethnic group, and they call this group Dafas. And there are 36 Dafas in total, and 20 Dafas are in India, and 60 Dafas are in Bangladesh. And now we will know about the Orayan, and who live in the Rajshahi, Rangpur and Dinajpur of Bangladesh. And there are two different groups according to two different groups of Orayan, and they speak in two different languages, one in Kuruk and another is Sadri. So one group speak in Kuruk language and another group speak in Sadri language. And now we will know about the religion of the Orayan ethnic group, and their main god is called Terms, and they believe that the god Terms is the creator of the universe, and they believe in spirits also, and they believe that these spirits can heal diseases. And their society mainly depends on the village council. Their society is run by a village council, and the village council is headed by a Mahto. So the chief of the village council is Mahto, and regional council is called Pahta. So several villages makes a regional council, and it is called Pahta. And the food habit of the Orayan is like the other ethnic groups, or the almost the same of the people of the Bangladesh. And their main food is rice, and they also eat maize, wheat, fish and a variety of vegetables. Now we will know about the clothing of the Orayan ethnic group. The men wear dhoti and lungi, trousers and shirts, and the women wear saris and blouse made of coarse cloth. Coarse cloth means one kind of thick rough cloth. And now we will know about the festivals of this ethnic group. Their main festival is Karam or Karma, which is celebrated on the 11th day of a full moon, that means which is called Purnima of the month of Bhadra. That means on Bhadra months, in Bangla, Bhadra months, they celebrate their festival Karam or Karma, and it is on the 11th day of the month, that means when it is full moon. And look, my dear students, there is a picture of the Oran houses and their festivals. Now they are celebrating their festivals, and this is the house of the Oran ethnic group. And now we know about the groups. I have told it before. There are two groups who have different languages. One is Kuruk and another is Sadri. So, my dear students, these are all about the three ethnic groups of our country, Mro, Tripura and Orayon. So, my dear students, at first all of you go through topic 3, 4 and 5, that means at first you will go through about Mro, Tripura and Oran, then you will do your homework number 8 and you will make 8 fill in the blanks from topic 3, 4 and 5. That means from today's topic you will make 8 fill in the blanks. But before that you will go through your text. So, dear students, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you do your assigned homework in your SW copies and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. Your SBA, city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So, all of you study regularly, submit your homework copies on due time and listen to your parents. So, see you again. Allah Hafiz.